Every time you send a message, stream a video, or join a call, your data travels across the internet in milliseconds. But here's the truth, not all data travels the same way. Some data is slow but reliable, other data is fast but risky. And this decision is made by two protocols, TCP and UDP. Have you ever noticed this? Your YouTube video plays smoothly but your video call start lagging. Or in online games, even a small delay ruins everything. Why does this happen? It all depends on how your data is sent. Let's start with TCP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It is designed to deliver data reliably in the correct order and without loss. Think of it like sending an important parcel. You track it, confirm delivery, and resend it if something is missing. Let's understand what is TCP three-way handshake. Before sending data, TCP first establishes a connection between client and server. This is called the three-way handshake. We have client and server who want to establish the connection. First of all, the client sent a sync request to the server. This means, hey, I want to start the communication. Then the server replies with sync acknowledgement. This means, I received your request and I am ready. And at the last, the client sent acknowledgement. This confirms connection established. Now, both sides are connected and data transfer can begin. During communication, every packet is acknowledged. If any packet is lost, TCP resends it. That's why TCP is reliable but slower. Now, let's talk about UDP. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. Unlike TCP, UDP does not establish a connection. There is no handshake, no confirmation, no tracking. Data is simply sent and that's it. If packets are lost, UDP doesn't care. This makes UDP extremely fast but unreliable. Here is the difference. TCP is reliable but slower. UDP is fast but unreliable. TCP checks everything. UDP skips everything. Think of it like this. TCP is like a registered courier service. UDP is like shouting a message in a crowd. Here's something very important. Many people think TCP is secure and UDP is not. But that's not true. Neither TCP nor UDP provides security by itself. Privacy comes from encryption. Technologies like HTTPS and VPNs are what actually protect your data. So, even if you are using TCP, without encryption, your data is not safe. So, where are these used? TCP is used in web browsing, emails, file downloads, anywhere accuracy is important. UDP is used in online gaming, live streaming, video calls, where speed matters more than perfection. Next time you are online, remember this. The internet is always balancing between speed and reliability. And behind the scenes, TCP and UDP are making it all happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Gaurav's Tech for more amazing content. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.